Hi there, so you have added your bank accounts to Money Dashboard. What's next? In this video, we introduce you to the backbone features of Money Dashboard: transaction, tags, and budgets. This will give you a quick understanding of what to expect and why it's important to dedicate a bit of time and effort on them. Just a quick note that this isn't a how-to video, but instead, a summary of what you can expect in this step of your Money Dashboard journey. In our Help Center, you can find detailed guides on how-tos and frequently asked questions about the features on Money Dashboard. You have gone on to connect your bank accounts and now you see this list of transactions being shown. All a bit overwhelming and confusing, isn't it? Let's try to get used to the jargon. On Money Dashboard, when we talk about transactions, it simply means any payments that have been pulled from your connected bank accounts that you now link to Money Dashboard. This can either be positive or negative, in other words, incoming or outgoing. Now comes the interesting part, using tags to make your transactions work for you. Tags as a feature allows you to categorize and group your transactions in a way that makes sense for you. That's right, the tag feature is the core of personalizing your Money Dashboard experience. Say for example, a transaction at the spa day came through. Some people might want to see this as a once a month treat, some might associate it as spending that contributes to health and well-being. By assigning a tag to this transaction, you get a clearer picture of how you're faring across all your transactions using the other features on Money Dashboard. Which brings us to the next point, budgets. Budgets as a feature tracks a collection of your tags against a goal you set for yourself. Here's a simple example to illustrate what this means. Imagine having 4 transactions listed from your connected bank accounts. Sainsbury's shopping, which you tagged as household groceries, transfer to landlord, which you tagged as rent, internet as bills, ABC insurance, for example, for household, which you tag as household insurance. By setting a budget, in this example, let's call it monthly living expenses, you can assign the 4 tags mentioned before to this budget. What will happen then is you get to see how much you're spending across all the transactions that have these tags assigned to it. Pretty neat, isn't it? Beyond using different budgets to track how you're doing in a set time period, by setting up and personalizing your transactions with tags, it will give you the means to use other features such as Planner, Balance History, and In and Out on Money Dashboard. It's always useful to learn about the available features Money Dashboard has to offer and understand how it can help you along your financial goals and journey.